Hello again, welcome to another video. Just like to have a look at this lovely Kia Rio 1.4, finished in the black with the alloy wheels. Nice low mileage car, all nice and clean inside. It's not been knocked about. Plenty of room in the back of these as well. Decent sized load area. Seats fold down if you need extra space. It's also got the spare wheel, full size. Nice alloys. Very reliable and economical. It's got 4 electric windows and central door lock-in.
During the war, which started
40,000 miles with a full service history. It's got the radio CD. It's got the air conditioning. And it's got the sockets there for the auxiliary input and the USB. 5-speed gearbox. Very tidy car. Also comes with 2 remote keys, which is always useful. It's got the front fog lights. Very smart looking, reliable transport. If you're interested or you've got any more questions, give me a shout on the usual number, and thank you again for watching.